Have you ever picked up your phone and felt something wasn't right? Maybe it gets hot for no reason, slows down, shows photos you didn't take, or you hear weird sounds during calls. Don't ignore it. There's a real chance someone could be watching what you do. This isn't a movie plot. There are actual apps and websites that can spy on almost everything on your device, from your messages and camera to your location. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 strong signs that someone may be spying on your phone right now, and I'll show you exactly what to do to protect yourself. The first thing to check is your location. Go to your settings, open location, then location services, then Google location sharing. If you see a name you don't recognize, that person can see where you are in real time. This feature is handy when traveling with friends, but if you spot anyone who shouldn't be there, stop sharing right away. Next, check if your emails are being watched. Open your phone settings, scroll down to Google, tap your Gmail account, then select Manage your Google account. Go to the Security tab, scroll to your devices, and tap Manage all devices. You'll see every phone, laptop, or browser that has logged into your account. If anything looks unfamiliar, tap it and choose Sign Out to remove it immediately. The third sign is call forwarding. Someone could be redirecting your calls without you knowing. Open your phone dialer and type *#21#, then press call. A page will show if any forwarding is active. If it says enabled and shows a strange number, that's a red flag. To turn everything off, open your dialer again and enter #002#. Call it and all forwarding will be disabled. The fourth thing to check is hidden tracking devices around you. Turn on Bluetooth, go to Settings, and search for Unknown Tracker. Open the page and tap Scan Now. Wait a few seconds. If any suspicious device is nearby, its name will appear, and you can tap it for more info or play a sound to find it. Turn on the automatic alerts so your phone warns you anytime an unknown tracker comes close. Finally, look for apps that have deep control over your phone. Go to Settings, then Apps. Tap on Special Access at the top corner, then choose Device Admin Apps. This list shows apps with high-level permissions. If you see anything you don't recognize or didn't install, tap it and deactivate it right away. All of this is just scratching the surface. There are more advanced spying methods that most people don't even know exist. I'll expose those in part 2. Make sure you follow and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss it. If this video helped you, share it with your friends and your Google family so they can stay protected too.